Hello everyone, my name's DrawWithDan, and today I'm going to be showing you how to draw facial expressions. And all we're going to be working with is three things. So it's the eyebrows, the eyes, and the mouth. So I hope you find this video useful. Any comments, likes and feedback is hugely appreciated. Okay, so here all I'm doing is changing the eyebrows, just to show you how expressive eyebrows can be just on their own. And then as soon as you start adding other things in there like the eyes, the mouth, you can really make an expression pop. Okay, so the first eyebrows are just straight, so they're very neutral expression. The second ones, they're angling upwards, which always gives a sad expression, and then the last one, angling down, gives an angry approach. And I'm going to draw the eyes all exactly the same in this first demonstration, just to show that you keep the eyes exactly the same. With the eyebrows, it really does change the expression. And as simple as that, the first face is a neutral face, the second one is a sad face, and the third one is an angry face. This time I'm moving the eyebrows higher up, adding a slight curve, but this time I'm changing the eyes. I'm making them quite wide, and see how this looks. Now this face looks very sad. Eyebrows curved up again, but given that wide-eyed look, it makes him look like he's about to cry. Now this one with the wide eyes really gives that intense angry stare. Really not happy. Okay, so now we're moving on to the mouth. So the first expression, again keeping it just straight across, neutral. The second face, the mouth angling down, gives a kind of sad, sorrowful expression. And then finally curving the mouth up at each end, gives a happy smiley face. Or it would if the eyebrows wasn't angling down. Now it looks like a menacing smile. So as you can see, just from changing the eyebrows, the eyes and the mouth, you can make several different expressions just by changing one part. You can go from a smiley face with the eyebrows neutral to make it like a menacing smile, an angry smile, just by bringing those eyebrows down. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate into 3 columns. I'm going to draw various eyebrows, eyes and mouths, and just give you a few examples. See what you think. Okay, so I hope this video has been helpful. Now I'm just going to go through a few different emotions and expressions using what we've gone through today in this video.